Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about chairs, and hopefully don't make the same mistake that I did, but all will be revealed in a moment. So today we're going to be talking about chairs. Chairs come in many shapes, sizes, colours and designs. Now there's three in front of us here, and two are actually designed and purposely sold for caravan and camping, and this one isn't, but I'll explain a little bit more. When we first bought the caravan, we purchased these. These are quite comfy chairs. However, the downside to them is they're very bulky and they're also very heavy, and they were taking up payload because we tow with them inside the caravan. So yeah, they were a little bit too much. So these got consigned to the deck in the back garden, which is where I found these little chaps. We have 6 of these at home, and we decided rather than rush in, we were going to buy basically nothing. We were just going to wait, and we decided on using these for a while. Now these are very lightweight, they're aluminium, they're not the most comfiest chair in the world, but they do offer quite good support on your back. Now we used these for quite a couple of seasons actually, because we just couldn't make our mind up what we wanted. Every time we found chairs, they were either too heavy, too bulky, or they were just plain uncomfortable. Now for those of you who watch the channel regularly, you do know that Juliet's got a bad back, so comfort and support is key. A few months ago we were out at one of the outlet camping places and we spotted these. These are very comfortable and they're very supportive. Now in terms of weight, I would say they are in between those two. So this is the sort of mid-weight. But when it folds up, it's not that bulky, and it doesn't take up too much room in the caravan. There's a picture there just showing you how I set them up when I'm towing, and we found these very comfortable. Now Juliet liked the fact that it supported her back, which is great, and we could sit in these for quite a long time. They are very supportive as well. So it ended up costing us money really, because we just rushed into the first purchase. We saw them at the show, we thought, oh, these are fantastic, but they were just not practical enough. This for us is a very practical and sensible and comfortable chair. They're mid-priced, they're around about £40 to £50 a piece, maybe a little bit more, but all in all we're generally happy with these. These are great for your deck. They're not much good for taking away with you, and the Old Faithful at the end, sadly very comfy, just too heavy. So when you're choosing your chairs, think of these few things. You need comfort, you need support, and you need them to be lightweight. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again, but in the meantime, bye for now.